Ang kauna-unahang espresso machine ay nabuo at naipapatent ni Angelo Moriondo ng Turin, Italy noong 1884. Kung modern coffee machines and equipment naman ang pag-uusapan, pinuntahan namin ang exclusive distributor ng premyadong brand coffee espresso machines para ipakita sa atin kung ano ang magandang klase ng espresso machine.
Itong ating kumpanya na Blu Coffee ay nag-i-specialize sa pagbigay ng true Italian experience. Ang mga makina natin, itong Cimbali natin, nakikita natin ito sa mga hotel, na mga pamosong hotel dito sa Pilipinas. Makikita rin natin ito sa mga coffee shops na mga pamoso dito sa Pilipinas. Ang kumpanya kasi natin Cimbali ay 100 taon na tumatakbo. Kaya they have been tried and tested sa merkado at may pangalan na rin siya. Kaya mga tao ngayon, yung mga may-ari ng mga coffee shops, ito talaga ang ino-order. Kasi pagka sinabi mo kasi yung Cimbali, alam nila na ito ay Italian talaga. Tanungin mo rin ng mga Italiano, ang Cimbali, yan ang parang kanilang national brand.
Ang mga makina na ito na tinaguri ang Ferrari of Espresso Machines ay disenyo ng Italian craftsman na si Giuseppe Cimbali.
Natawag kong Ferrari ang Cimbali kasi talagang nagkaroon na kasi ng mga passion yung mga Italiano sa paggagawa ng espresso. And kaya ako nasabing Italy kasi yan talagang unang-una maganda yung kanyang forma. At talagang pagkasabilisan ng paglabas ng mga kape, ito talaga yung makapagbibigay sa iyo ng consistent na paglalabas ng kape sa iyong coffee shop.
Dahil sa dekalidad na machines ng brand na ito, isa itong option para sa mga gustong magtayo ng coffee shop.
Para sa mga ating mga entrepreneurs na gustong magtayo ng coffee shop, ang nire-recommend ko ay yung single group head lang na tinatawag na makina. Meron tayong single group head that can stand alone, na hindi siya nakakabit sa tubig, at meron siya yung mga nakakabit din sa tubig. Depende yan sa dami ng lamesa na i-set up mo sa coffee shop mo. And ang mga presyo niya nag-uumpisa sa mga 100,000 at pataas.
Inisa-isa din sa amin ni Ms. Jen ang mga kasamang accessories ng mga espresso machines at iba pang kakailanganin sa isang coffee shop.
So, for a single or starting coffee shop, you need to have an espresso machine. So, we have Cimbali. We carry Cimbali espresso machines, the #1 machines in Italy. And then, of course, you have to have the espresso grinder, and then the blenders. And for our machines, package po, or kasama po dun sa package namin is machine accessories like steaming pitchers. We also have metal tampers. We also have milk thermometer. So, we have to make sure na yung steaming ng milk is in proper temperature. Hindi burnt yung milk natin. And then, kasama rin po, of course, dyan yung knockbox. Kasi lahat ng waste ng coffee is dito nilalagay.
Bukod sa machine accessories, distributor din sila ng sauces and syrups para sa specialty coffees.
And we also have flavorings, gourmet sauce and syrups po from France. So we have dark chocolate, caramel, and white chocolate sauce. So we mix this with the cafe mochas, mocha fraps, hot chocolate. So yun po pagagamitan natin ng mga sauce. Well, yung mga syrups po natin, ito naman po yung Irish latte, hazelnut latte, and then a strawberry rose latte po. So ito po yung ginagamit natin.
Aside from the supplies, para sa coffee shop, nagbibigay din sila ng libreng training para sa tatangkilik ng kanilang produkto. Nakita namin ang mga head trainer nila habang nagde-demo sa isa sa kanilang kliyente.
So I will teach you how to make a latte. Okay? So for the latte, we need to make a 30 ml espresso. So this machine is programmable, so it will automatically stop when it reaches the right dose that we program. So we need to grind coffee beans. We need 7 grams of coffee for 1 shot of espresso. Nag-start yung training ko dito sa Blu Coffee nung nag-start ako. So we've been trained by the master barista of Esse Cafe in Italy, si Mr. Vito Campanelli. And then you need to release just a little hot water to clean the group head. We provide naman po complimentary training for those people that will buy machines from us. So inclusive po siya sa package.
Nakilala din namin ang Export Area Manager ng La Chimbale.
These blends are good because they are certified by an Italian institution that is Espresso Italiano. This organization certifies what is the real espresso and the real tradition of Italy. Now we go with Mr. Vito to explain how to make a real espresso. A real espresso is made by 5 main points. I present you Mr. Vito. Mr. Vito Campanelli is our trainer, the manager of our training school in Italy, in Bologna. And now he's going to explain the 5 main key points to make a perfect espresso.
Ipinakita naman sa amin ng master barista na mula din sa Italy ang paggawa ng perfect espresso.
Nice to meet you. My name is Vito Campanelli. I'm personal bar trainer of Esse Cafe in Italy. My mission today is to speak about how we can make the best Italian espresso. Okay? I think that is very, very easy, but we have to follow 5 different points. First of all, it's very important that we use high quality of coffee beans. The third point is the coffee machine. Absolutely, it's very important, the temperature, the pressure of the coffee machine. And believe me, now today we are using one of the best brand of coffee machine in Italy, La Cimbali. It's very important. The fourth point, how we cleaning all the equipment and how we fix, how we set it. And the last point, but is I think one of the most important, is the hand of the barista. Now I can show you how we can make Italian espresso. First of all, we have to cleaning the handle, so the filter holder, okay, and sometimes we need to wash it inside. Please, only with hot water, okay? Then we have to put down again to the machine so the water comes out. And now we are ready. We can use only 7 grams of our coffee powder, okay? It's very important that we move the powder in the filter, and then we have to press correctly, okay? About 12-40 kilo. It's very important that we turn a little bit the tamper, okay? And then we cleaning the filter. And now we are ready to make the extraction. About 25 second extraction time, and it's very important that the coffee comes out from the machine not too fast, not too slowly. And after 25 seconds, for sure, we have the best Italian espresso.
So to those po who wanted to avail po yung mga espresso machine, sa mga start-up po na coffee shop, so we carry yung espresso machines, grinders, flavored syrups and sauces. So our office is in 341 Katipunan Road, Loyola Heights, Quezon City.
Kung magtatayo ka ng coffee shop, ito pa ang listahan ng ilan sa mga kakailanganin mo na supplies at equipment. Cups, stirrers, coffee cup sleeves, coffee cup covers, display case para sa mga pastries at cakes, stovetop kung balak mo mag-offer ng pasta and other dishes, at refrigerators.